water runs. Ayan guys, mainit na dito guys. Naka-open yung aming car. So mainit na. Ang ganda ng weather. Looks like summer. Ayan guys, parang park. Ayan, we're arriving, rooms to go.
Turn left into the parking lot. Then
Yes.
immediately turn left.
Clear water rooms to go.
Your destination is on the left.
We are here guys in rooms to go, clear water. Ayan guys, finally nakita rin namin yung aming gustong sopa ni Hubby. And ito siya. It's good for our guys, ito yung aming napiling sopa ni Hubby. This is our new sopa. And ganda. Ayan.
Porter to the back door for customer assistant. Porter to the back door, please.
Ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you later. Bye-bye.